School shutdowns and sudden shifts to online learning from the pandemic have exacerbated an already strained and struggling education system. Students have experienced significant learning losses, and the achievement gap has only widened, leaving poverty-stricken students well behind their affluent counterparts. As physical and mental health continue to decline, the need for additional programs to support adolescent students has never been greater. One program that has already been proven as extremely effective in accelerating academic achievement is personalized learning from tutors. While most private tutors are financially prohibitive to lower-income families, Actual Education uses an unprecedented approach that leverages free modern-day technology platforms to reach previously inaccessible groups of at-risk students and create equitable and accessible educational opportunities for all. The primary program for helping students is through our free online community on Discord. Our educators interact with students on their own turf and are able to establish genuine connections over shared interests, such as video games. Satisfying an often unmet social need, our students become hyper-involved on Discord and participate in a variety of positive development activities that mimic gaming mechanics they are familiar with. Students can level up and earn points in the Discord by completing challenges that promote academic excellence and physical wellness. Some examples of these challenges include posting good grades from school, walking 28,000 steps in a week, asking for help with their homework, inviting their classmates, or practicing a musical instrument. Students then use these points to buy physical and digital prizes that enhance their own gaming experiences. These prizes include in-game currency, gaming accessories, and even brand new consoles. To date, we have awarded more than $11,000 in prizes to over 315 students for completing challenges on our Discord, resulting in dozens of documented cases of measurable improvements for students in both their academic performance and their overall physical health. Capitalizing on this group of motivated students, we provide free personalized education that is engaging and fun. This is done primarily through our daily office hours live stream on Twitch, where charismatic educators offer free tutoring to the community and prepare students to succeed in the college environment. Here we normalize meeting with professors and TAs outside of class and dismantle the harmful belief that asking questions is a sign of weakness. With these streams, we bring homework to life with real-world connections, empowering students to recognize its value and imagine thriving careers in STEM. Since 2021, our Twitch channel has grown to over 2,700 followers, with 13,000 plus hours of watch time on the Office Hours live stream. As an additional outreach program, we also produce free high-quality tutorials on TikTok and YouTube that cover commonly misunderstood math and science concepts. Despite the world's plummeting attention span, our content goes viral because it is concise and educates in a language that is relatable and funny to modern-day students. This virality in turn drives even more organic growth to our community. To date, our tutorials have amassed over 8 million views across both platforms. While there are many established free online resources for self-education, Actual Education is unique in providing motivation to students who are resistant to getting help or don't even realize that they need it. By meeting students at their level, students view our educators as a supportive friend, rather than an authoritarian parent or teacher. This means students are more likely to be authentically involved in our programs and thus amplifies the positive educational outcomes. In the face of increased screen time usage, Actual Education channels students' inevitable use of the internet away from boredom and escapism, and instead toward being a part of a revolutionary community that supports them in both their academic achievement and personal development.